The artist's touch, a delicate balance between precision and passion. This very essence is what defines the home we're about to explore. A place where opposing forces meet in perfect harmony, creating a haven of warmth and comfort. This house is a captivating interplay of two design languages. One part, a sanctuary of intimacy. Built with solid materials like plastered bricks and Brutalist-style concrete, it features controlled openings and steel windows framed with a rusty character. Here, a sense of seclusion is meticulously crafted. In the heart of the house lies a central patio, a verdant haven that breathes life into the design. It acts as a divider, separating the introverted bedroom area from the extroverted living space. The curtain louver's wall adds a touch of drama, creating a sense of anticipation as you enter this unique abode. The hallway leading to the bedrooms transforms into a curated gallery. A magnificent steel library holds a collection of the homeowner's prized possessions, each piece a testament to their story. This harmonious connection with the landscape is undeniable. The house itself respects the natural topography, its lower part gracefully integrating with the sloping terrain. Here, you'll find a refreshing swimming pool and a dedicated studio space. Sustainability is woven into the very fabric of this design. The studio boasts a magnificent green roof, a flourishing tapestry of plants that coexist beautifully with the natural environment. As sunlight streams through the expansive windows, the indoors and outdoors become one. The open living area embraces the patio, fostering a connection with nature. Even the steel library reflects the warmth of the sun, adding a touch of brilliance to the space. Every detail in this house tells a story. The robust steel frames speak of strength, the textured brick walls whisper of history, and the curated artwork in the library reflects the homeowner's personality. This house is more than just a structure, it's a sanctuary. A place where opposing forces unite to create a haven of comfort and inspiration. Here, amidst the interplay of light and shadow, one can find a true sense of belonging.